Megan says, I've been silent for quite some time while learning everything Coach has to give. I just need to express how much I appreciate you, Coach. I'm a single mom that was working as a barista 9 hours a day on my feet without breaks, busting my butt for minimum wage and tips. With the lack of a college education, I thought I was stuck in that profession. Well, 2 weeks ago, my boyfriend of 3 years and I moved in together. It was a huge move for my kids and I, as it was in a different state, changing my kids' school and being nervous as hell as to what job I was going to get. I took this opportunity to take a huge leap and started trading full time. I have now tripled my income while being more available for my kids. I can't thank you enough for guiding me to financial freedom. I know there's still a lot to learn, but for once in my life, I'm confident with what my future holds. Love you guys. Thank you, Megan.
Yay, Megan.
Thank you
We're
guys
so
so
happy
much.
for you.
Congratulations, Megan.
Congratulations, Megan.